Hi there, I'm Eleanor, an MP Ambassador from the Diploma in Chinese Studies. I'm at the School of Humanities and Social Sciences, or HMS for short. Let me take you on a tour around my school and show your very own unique facilities. Let's go! Come on into our school's Tinkerbox. In this room, it's all hands on deck. This is where my friends from the Early Childhood Development and Education course learn how to create children artworks using fun and creative materials. This way, my friends engage their creative juices and learn art techniques that they can impart to their students. Here, you'll see that my classmate is doing some neat painting work to entertain the children. Let's move on to another room, shall we? Taking care of young children and babies is no simple feat. The baby room is a place where my friends learn how to care for babies. This can include playing with them, preparing their meals, and showering them. Oh look, we're right on time to watch a baby being bathed. With the practice that we get, caring for babies becomes second nature to us. Take a look at our simulated preschool classroom, which is filled with kid-sized tables and chairs. Did you know the way that tables and chairs are arranged may affect how children learn? In this classroom, my friends learn how to create the best classroom setting and make learning fun for their future students. Alright, let's leave our aspiring preschool teachers to do their work. Let's go! Welcome to our audio suites. Built to match industry standards, my friends from Chinese Media and Communication are taught the ins and outs of the media industry. They make use of advanced audio equipment to do their podcast recordings, radio broadcasting, and more. Let's say a quick hello to our friends on air. We are here at the Brain Box where my friends from the Community Development course learn about psychology. Check out this dual mirror. It allows us to observe interaction going on in the adjacent chat room, so as to learn how to best help others during counseling sessions. Last but definitely not least, welcome to our gallery. Here, my friends from the Art Business Management course learn about the installation and setting up of exhibitions. These skills will definitely come in handy when they curate art festivals or run arts events in the future. If you're passionate about making a difference in the life of others, you've got to join MP's School of Humanities and Social Sciences. I can't wait to see you here.